Hello everyone. So today I'm so happy because today is my cheat meal day. And everyone asked me that Gia, what do you eat on your cheat meal day? So I spend my whole day in Jacobs because Jacobs is my most favorite cake bakers and savory makers. And today I'm so blessed and I'm so lucky and I feel so fortunate that they invited me to reveal two of their new launches. And trust me, I'm not gonna lie, that these two desserts are the most, like, world's most famous and the most favorite desserts. But in Hounslow, Jacobs is the only one who's going to start, and today I'm doing the inauguration of these two desserts. So I'm so fortunate and I'm really thankful to Jacob. They have invited me for their reviews. So I'm going to eat these two desserts today on my cheat meal day, and trust me, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm not gonna lie just because I'm a brand ambassador, so I'm gonna say, oh, it's very good and stuff. Trust me, my opinion and my review is going to be absolutely honest opinion. So let's start eating now, and I'm going to show you that what I'm going to eat first. Today, first I'm going to eat a strawberry croissant, which has a strawberry and cream filling with three chocolates. One is dark chocolate, the other one is plain chocolate, and the third one is white chocolate. I know it's quite yumilicious, isn't it? And I'm feeling that my full body and my full mouth is so tempting because I really want to try this, and I'm so desperate to try this. So let me show you that how do they make it. So just watch it. Now they are going to make a strawberry croissant. Can you pass the plate and then I'll... Okay, so this is the strawberry croissant. As you can see, it has a strawberry and a cream filling, and now they are going to top it up with the chocolates, three chocolates. One is white chocolate, second is dark chocolate, and the third one is plain chocolate. So let me show you. Okay, guys, start. Ooh la la, I'm so excited to try it on. So which chocolate is this?
This is milk chocolate.
Okay, this is milk chocolate, and this is dark chocolate. Yes, dark chocolate I can easily recognize because I eat a lot. And the third one is
White chocolate.
white chocolate. Ooh la la! Oh my God, that looks so tempting.
Okay, here you go.
Okay, so I'm going to try this. Oh my God, look at this. It looks so tempting and I can't wait to try it on. Ooh la la, full of chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, strawberries and cream. Oh my God. Oh my God. So finally, I'm going to try my first cheat meal dessert, and that is a strawberry croissant. Let me take strawberry cream and everything. Look at this. It looks so tempting. My God, seriously, I'm feeling like that I am in heaven right now. It's heavenly taste. Superb taste of chocolate, strawberry, cream. I have never had this kind of croissant in my entire life. Trust me, guys, I'm giving you 10 on 10 for this dessert. Every time whenever you are on cheat meal, and trust me, I'm going to tell you one more thing. Nowadays I heard that people are saying so much stuff about don't eat desserts, don't eat chocolates, don't eat sugar, it's not good for your health. Trust me, if you speak to the most important and the most famous athletes, they always advise you that your body needs sugar, and they always keep sweets in their pockets. If you speak to the most qualified instructor, the most experienced instructor, if you tell them, and I'm fainting and this and that, I'm feeling dizzy, all the instructors will tell you, have some sweets, have some sweets. Sweet is that important. And every week, one day, I eat dessert. I always spend my day in Jacobs, and this is absolutely tempting and mind-blowing. I don't have words. How tempting, how yumilicious, so yumilicious, so delicious. I mean, just tastes like a wow. Oh wow, that's so good. Guys, life is too short. Enjoy your life and have desserts and spend your life the way you want. Eat whatever you want to eat. Oh. Sorry, I'm very bad in eating. This is so good, honestly speaking. Jacobs, you did a fantastic job. Fantastic job. Fantastic job. Guys, you should try this. You should try this. Honestly speaking, I'm not lying. Every single, look at this, the chocolate. I love melted chocolate. Ooh la la. Bring your girlfriends over here, bring your boyfriends over here, bring your husbands, your wives, your daughters, your sons, your brothers, your sister, your mother, your dad. I think this is the best treat you can give it to them. And desserts are the sign of happiness. Don't listen to anyone, just listen to yourself. Make yourself happy. God has given you only one life. Enjoy your life. Because nowadays what happens is that if someone is advising you, they don't even follow by themselves. If someone is advising you, just look at their body first. If they are looking absolutely toned and stuff, listen to them. If you feel that their body is not that good enough, don't be so rude to them, but just listen with one ear and throw it away from second ear. Look, I do eat desserts and nothing happened to me. It just works like, for example, if you're eating 50 calories, try to work out and lose 100 calories and that's it. Don't starve yourself. Don't stop yourself to eat anything. Honestly speaking, it's too good. I thought I'm gonna have only one bite, but I couldn't stop myself of eating it. It's so tasty. Jacobs, you guys are amazing. I would highly recommend Jacobs. My God, this is so amazing, so tasty. I feel like God has given me heaven right now. Have you seen that I have eaten it while I'm talking to you and I finish it off? Look at this. The texture, my God, just look at this. Everything is full of creamy chocolate. You can serve your customer until I'll finish it off and I'll wait for the next dessert. Thank you. So finally I have finished my first dessert. As you can see, I am not lying, I have finished it whole by myself, and now I'm going to try the second dessert, which is new launch of Jacobs. And in Hounslow, Jacobs are the only one who has introduced this dessert. This is world's famous dessert. You must have eaten in different countries, but here in Hounslow, Jacob is the only one who is introducing, and I'm the first one who's going to try it on, and that is San Sebastian cheesecake. Oh la la, I love cheesecake, but this is San Sebastian cheesecake and I'm going to try it on. Let's rock it now. Okay, so this is the cheesecake and now they're gonna top it up. Look at this cheese filling, my God. Okay, now I can have it with the chocolate.
Yeah. All three?
All three. I love chocolates. Wow, look at this. And there you go. Well done. And the white chocolate. So dark chocolate, a milk chocolate, and the white chocolate. Thank you. I'm going to try it on. And if you go over there, so I'll show them. So this is the cake which I was talking about, which I am trying it. That's the one. Let me zoom a little bit. That's the one which I'm trying it right now. It's a new launch and this is the one which I have already tried. Okay. Oh my God, look at this. Wow, look at the texture. Whole cheesecake. Cheese filling is inside. Let me try it on. My God, you nailed it. You know what? The cheesecake is very cold and on the top, it's a hot chocolate. So it's a very good mixture of cold and hot, and trust me, it tastes like yumilicious, delicious, mouth-watering, tasty delicious. So delicious, so yummalicious. I mean, just tastes like a wow. Mmm. Let me try from the different side. Look at this. Nailed it. So guys, I have tried both desserts. I don't want my video is going to be too long because Instagram let me upload only 15 minutes video. So I have tried both desserts. Both desserts are absolutely yummalicious, mouth-watering, taste delicious. Trust me, it's succulent. Both desserts are absolutely amazing. I felt like that I'm in heaven right now and I'm tasting heavenly dessert. Honestly speaking, taste is absolutely fantastic. I would highly recommend Jacobs. Please pop into Jacobs and eat as much as you like. Don't listen to the people who are stopping you to eat anything. Trust me, I've been working out for 8 years, and my 8 years journey, what I have learned, if you're consuming 500 calories, try to work out and burn 1000 calories. If you're consuming 200 calories, try to work out and burn 400 calories. But don't starve yourself for anything. If you want to eat anything, eat it. Go ahead, make yourself happy, because God has given you only one life, and live the way you want. And yes, most of the people, they are even, in fact, every day I have to listen from a lot of people, oh Gia, don't do this, don't work out too much, don't do this, don't eat this, eat boiled vegetables, this and that. Trust me, nothing is gonna work. If you look at those people, first of all, if you want to listen to someone, just look at them. If their body is giving you, like inspiring you, oh yeah, she or he has a wonderful body, fully toned, slim, smart, so just listen to them. But if you're feeling that, I'm not saying to do anyone's body shaming or tell them, oh, your body is not good enough and you are advising me, just listen to them with one ear and throw it away from the second ear. So just tell yourself that, okay, she's advising me or he is advising me, and look at herself. So first of all, think about yourself, think about your body, think about your happiness, because you are the responsible of your own happiness. So I have spent my whole day in Jacobs. I have tried both desserts, and now I'm going to gym and I'm going to burn my calories. That's how I live my life. So make yourself happy, and trust me, if you come to Jacobs, Jacobs is amazing. They are mind-blowing. Staff members are very nice. Owner is very nice, and I'm so happy and I'm so thankful to them. Thanks for having me, Jacobs. Thank you so much. I would highly recommend Jacobs. Please pop into Jacobs. It's on Hounslow High Street next to McDonald's. Bye bye. Love you all. Enjoy your life. Count your life with smile, not tears. Count your age with friends, not tears. Love you all. Bye bye. And on the top, it's a hot chocolate. So it's a very good mixture of cold and hot, and trust me, it tastes like yummalicious, delicious, mouth-watering, taste delicious. So delicious, so yummalicious, I mean, just tastes like a wow. Let me try from the different side. Look at this. Nailed it. So guys, I have tried both desserts. I don't want my video is going to be too long because Instagram let me upload only 15 minutes video. I'm gonna finish it off. So I would highly recommend both desserts. Both desserts are absolutely yummalicious, delicious, mouth-watering. Trust me, you wouldn't get disappointed. Please pop into Jacobs. It's on Hounslow High Street next to McDonald's. And again, I'm going to tell you, don't restrict yourself to eat anything, whatever you want to eat, whatever makes you happy. Please do that. Please eat everything. The main thing, I've been working out for 8 years. The main thing which I have learned from my whole journey, eat everything, whatever you want to like. For example, if you are consuming 200 calories, try to work out and burn 400 calories. Just double it up, but don't stop yourself to eat anything. I have never done any kind of dieting. I eat whatever I want to eat. And yes, most of the people, they are like, I'm not saying they are wrong, but the main thing which I always want you to see, if anyone is advising you not to eat this, not to eat that, just look at that person first. If you feel their body is too toned, absolutely slim, smart and properly toned, then you can listen to them. But if you feel that their body is not good enough, because I have seen so many people, they have not even toned themselves, but the way they are advising people, they are scaring people, eat boiled vegetables, this and that. No, you can eat anything. In fact, I told you before and I'm telling you right now that your body needs sugar as well. And if it's Jacob's sugar, Jacob's dessert, Oh la la.